Today we'll be learning how to print in Python. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's start it. Before we start writing our first program in Python, let's first check what version of Python we are using. So open the command prompt and write Python dash dash version, and it is showing Python version 3.9.6, which means we are using Python 3. Why I'm saying this? Because the print command or the print statement looks little different in Python 2 and in Python 3. Since we are in Python 3, we'll be writing print statement according to Python 3 version. Okay, so let's close it and then open the IDE for Python, IDLE. So we'll be writing our first code in IDLE. So how to write? First of all, what print statement is? This is kind of a function in Python. Write it, print, open bracket and then close bracket. So whatever we have to print, we have to write inside this print function. So this print function in Python is used to print a specified message on the screen. So whatever we want to print, be it an object or be it a string, it will convert it into string while printing it. So say we want to write, and one more thing, whatever we want to write, we have to write in double quotes. We have to denote it as a string. So we can write welcome little coders and enter. So see, it has printed whatever we wanted to print, which is welcome little coders. Now say we want to print couple of other things. Say we want to print couple of countries names, USA, print India. So see, whatever we wanted to print, we can just write inside that prints function under double quotes. So it will print it. Now say we want to print some new lines, means, okay, let me first write it down so you can understand it better. Print, say I want to print some new line. This will basically create a new line. You see, it didn't just means we have a blank line which created by this symbol /n. Now say we want to create 8 new lines, or say we want to create 5 new lines, right? 5 multiplied by this new line. You see, now we have created 5 new lines. Now I'll show you how to implement it. Say print welcome. Okay, so I just want to print welcome here, and then I want to print double new line. You see, after welcome, it has created two new lines. One more thing I want to show, because without creating a file, if I keep writing here, right, it will execute each and every line. So I cannot execute 3-4 lines of code at a time. To do that, what I have to do, I have to create a file and have to write all those codes inside the file and have to execute the file at a time. So let's try to do that. Let's create a new file which I'll be storing at Python projects, say I'll give it a name as print. So print test. Okay, so this is my file and I'll be writing my code here. So whatever we learn now, we'll try here. Print, say, we all know how we have to print. We have to print like this: print bracket, the under double quotes, whatever we want to print, we have to print it. See here, if I press enter, we don't execute or print that whatever we are trying to print, but we have to run this program once we are complete, and then it will execute all the lines together. So now next line will be writing like print, say we want to give 5 new lines, and then we want to print the next line whatever we want. So print, and now we'll be writing little coders. Okay, I think this is what we can execute. So what I'll do, I'll save it and then I'll say run module. See how it worked. So it prints welcome, then it gives 5 new lines whatever we wrote, and then it print the second line whatever we wanted to print like little coders. So I hope now this whole print function is pretty clear to you guys. What you need to do, you need to practice. So for couple of hours, try printing different things that will help you to understand how to print in Python. This is all for today. I'll be seeing you back in our next chapter where we will be learning new things from Python. Till then, goodbye, stay safe.